Got the whole squad pulled up. I go out. GR. Shit, that's off my damn late. Fuck. HKL. There's some guys over there, bro. What the fuck are they? Got the bridge line out here. This guy's bag. He was about to ride out, so that's how he aired up.
Hi, buddy.
When the hell you want to get a Lexus?
She got a Lexus NX 300 F Sport.
I was a DA, dude. God damn. Damn it.
That dude's changing his fucking car.
Wait, what the fuck? You fucking nasty ass. He's changing his wheels? Bruh. Hella people here.
Take a look at the one.
This one's not a bad car. Bruh, what the fuck? Goddamn, fucking loud as hell. Oh, this shit's sexy as fuck. 911. Beauty. Shit's pretty clean, dude.
I don't have enough room to do some shots.
Yeah, that's just pretty clean.
The only shots I can get.
Yep. Oh, what the hell? That's pretty dope. Good shit. It's pretty sick.
Pretty big piece.
Woo! Look at this bad boy. That looks sick. Oh, look, it's fucking 89 fucking CRX.
Huh?
89 CRX back there. Well, Josh parked over here. Little GTR. This shit is dope. Fucking Miata. It's R7. Looking good. Got the muscle guys here. at this baddie. What is it, GSR?
Yep, GSR.
Fucking all-wheel drive. Damn. Yeah, we back home. Dude, my car look like it's black. Dude, that shit looks good. Look at this shit. Looks like.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Looks pretty
Nighthawk
good.
Black Pearl look pretty
They were
good.
best friends. So.
All right, guys, we're gonna end the video here. ASC around. Oh damn!